Hello dears, how are you? Today we are going to continue our lesson about food. And we have studied the last time that we have different groups of food. Now we are going to see each group and what is its benefit for our body. Let's start with group 1, the food rich in protein. Can you give me examples of food rich in protein? Yummy. A bit yummy. I like eggs, do you? So what are these foods? So these kinds of food are mainly useful to growth. Chicken, fish, eggs, and meat are all rich in protein, which is useful to growth. Now, what was the second group of food that we have studied? Food rich in calcium. Can you give me examples? We had milk, yogurt, and cheese. We have also labne, which is called yogurt cheese. Now, we said that calcium is a mineral and it is responsible for the development of bones. So these kinds of food favor the development of bones. And can you remind me what was group number 3? Okay, that was the food rich in fat. Give me examples. What is this? And this. Fatty foods are yummy, huh? This is butter, olive oil, cream, and pistachios. All these types of food are rich in fat. And we said that also that fat is called lipids too, in case. Now, can you tell me what is the role of this type of food? These kinds of food mostly give heat. Okay, now let us go to group number 4. In group 4, we have food rich in carbohydrates, such as starch and sugar. Now, let's see the starchy foods, like bread and pasta, and the sugary foods, like honey and chocolate, though it contains also a high amount of fats. Now, what is the role of these in our body? These kinds of food mostly give energy. Excellent. We still have 2 groups to learn about. This is group 5, which is food rich in vitamins, such as carrots. I like carrots, do you? Do you know which vitamin is present in carrots? It's vitamin A. Let us see here. We have the lettuce, the radish, and the grapes. Almost all fruits and vegetables contain vitamins, and they are very useful to health. Is it clear? Now we still have the last group, which is food rich in water. Excellent. Now, let us find out what are the foods rich in water. The juice, the fruit juice, orange juice, apple juice, melon. Watermelon is very rich in water, and we can drink also mineral water. We have to our body needs around 2 liters of water daily. Here, the beverages are necessary for our body, but make sure that you choose the healthy ones. Now, let us see, what do you have to study? We are going to underline together in the book the name and role of each group with an example. And then you will solve as a homework numbers 2 and 3, page 126 in workbook. Okay? Now, carry your pencil and ruler or the highlighter and come and underline with me. Now here, we have to underline the name of the group, food rich in protein, and the role, which is useful to growth. You can choose any example. I'm going to use chicken and egg. Now, let us see group 2. You have to study the food rich in calcium, and also don't forget that you can say mineral. And these foods favor the development of bones. Sorry. Okay, now let us go to group 3, which is the food rich in fat. Sorry, I forgot to underline here. You can choose any, cheese, yogurt, milk, and here too, so that we don't forget, you can use pistachios, butter, or cream. An example, and these foods give heat. Now let us go to group 4, which is food rich in starch or sugars. Choose any two examples and the role, which is that they give energy. Now we have the food rich in vitamins, and choose any two examples and the role, which is very useful to health. So this is what you have to study for the next time, and please don't forget that you have a homework that we will correct together. Okay? Thank you for listening. Goodbye for now.